you learned from one of the greats of all time. You referenced LeBron, but another great, Kobe, and you have an incredible story, story of connecting with Kobe and working out with Kobe before everybody was working out with Kobe.
Mm-hmm.
Share a little insight. You don't have to tell the whole story, but a little insight on what you learned from Kobe too, and just why he was so wired.
Right. Yeah, I got the opportunity to spend some time with him. It was the year after he retired, and I kind of just took a shot in the dark and got his number and hit him up and asked if he would, teach me some things for a couple of days. And I was like, I'd be willing to come to you. And it was one of those things where we went to his place, and he told me to get there. I think it was like at 7:00, and I'm nervous, and because you hear about all his workouts and how they're legendary, so I don't know what to expect and what's going to happen. And so I'm up at like 5:30 with my assistant coach, and we're eating breakfast, trying to get ready. I need to make sure I have energy. I don't know if he's going to kill me or not. I don't know what's going to happen. And we show up there at like 6:30, and there's nobody at the school, and we're trying to get in. We don't have the key or anything, and the janitor is walking around, and he sees us, and he's like, "What are you guys doing?" We're at like an elementary school, so it's probably not the best place for two grown men just to be wandering around. And he's like, "What are you guys doing here?" And we're like, "Oh, we're here. We're supposed to work out with Kobe Bryant." And he starts laughing at us, like, "Yeah, sure, okay." And we're like, "Yeah, no, for real, we are." And he's like, "Well, if you were working out with Kobe, you would have already been done, because he would have been here at like 4:30." And we were like, "Well, he told us to get here at 7. And he's like, "All right, well, you can wait in the gym if you want." And he opened up the gym, and, we go in there and shooting around, trying to get warmed up. 6:45 goes by, no Kobe. 6:50, 7:00, no Kobe. 7:15, no Kobe. 7:30 rolls around. We're still just kind of shooting around in there. And it's like, all right, well, now I should probably hit him up. And so I hit him like, "Hey man, is this the right spot?" And is the address the right spot? I'm here. And he's like, "Oh yeah, you're already there? All right, I'll be there in 5 minutes." And he hangs up the phone. 5 minutes later, he walks in. He's just walks in with basketball clothes on, takes off his sunglasses, and he's like, "Ball." Didn't say anything else. Didn't say like, "My bad." Didn't say, just like ball. And we worked for like 2 hours that day. And after we were done, he's like, all right, tomorrow 5:30, I'll text you the address," and walks out. And it was like, that was it. There was no talking. And then the next day, though, he was great. I mean, he got there 15 minutes early. We worked for another 2.5 days. He watched film with me afterwards. We built a great relationship. And I think it was one of those things where he was just testing me. He didn't know what kind of worker I was going to be, what I was going to be about. And I think I passed the test and was able to build an unreal relationship. And afterwards, he sent me this email, because I was texting with him like, "Hey, was there like a certain routine that you would always do?" And, so he sent me an email of all the stuff he would do, like Monday through Friday. And it was ridiculous. Like, there's no way you could possibly do all this stuff. But then at the end of it, he said, like, "I know this is a lot, but if you're not trying to be the best, then why the F are you playing this game?" And that was the end of the email. And I still have the email saved today, and it's an unbelievable email, and something that I'll always keep and have.